Hello dear students, I welcome you all to today's video. How are you all doing? I hope you all are fine. Remember taking care of yourself, being safe. That is one of the very important things we are looking nowadays because the in my life I'm just sharing. Of course, पढ़ना तो पूरे टाइम है ही. I will be going with my thing. But in the lifetime, I have never seen such a situation where everything is comes at last, and human life is very important. So please take good care of yourself, children, and your safety is for of priority for us. Okay. So let's get back to the story of Hitler. हिटलर की कहानी हम बात कर रहे हैं. हिटलर के बारे में हमने बहुत सारी चीज़ें देखी, बहुत सारी चीज़ें समझी. हाउ हिटलर रोज टू पावर. वन थिंग दैट इज़ वेरी इंस्पायरिंग अबाउट हिटलर, मेरे को तो बहुत इंस्पायरिंग लगता है. आई जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू शेयर इट विथ यू. अब इन जनरल आई जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू टॉक टू यू दैट ही वॉज फ्रॉम अ वेरी पुअर फैमिली. फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट थिंग कि अरे हमारे पास तो 1 करोड़ रुपया हो जाता तो पता नहीं क्या करते. ठीक है, 1 रुपए से भी क्या किया जा सकता है ये सीखना है. 1 करोड़ रुपए तो किसी के पास भी होंगे. एनीबडी हु हैज सो मच ऑफ मनी ही कैन डू एनीथिंग. बट व्हेन यू हैव ओनली 1 करोड़ तो नहीं है, लेकिन 1000 रुपीज है. 1000 को आप 1 करोड़ कैसे बनाते हो, दैट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. ओके. So Hitler from a family of from a very big family, okay, and he always was very ambitious, and he wanted to show to the world, I won't say his power, but yes, whatever he had planned, whatever he had thought of, how he had achieved it, that is what is one thing that we can take inspiration from. Yesterday in the last video, children, we have discussed about the Second World War, its causes, attack on Poland. Okay, attack on Poland was the initial phase of the beginning of the Second World War. जहाँ 4-5 कंट्री मिलके when the 4-5 countries ना they get together for taking revenge, or they get together for fighting, from there the problem starts, from there the tension starts. Okay, so Japan, tripartite pact was signed. Please remember the tripartite pact. 3 countries ने मिलके ये पैक्ट साइन किया था. वहाँ पे there was Japan, there was Italy and जर्मनी. तो जापान वॉज वेरी एंथुजियास्टिक. जापान को लगा कि अभी तो इतना पावर बढ़ गया है. बिग कंट्री लाइक जर्मनी हैज़ कम एंड इज टेकिंग आवर सपोर्ट. तो इस जल्दी में क्या किया उन्होंने, इन दिस हेस्ट जापान हैज़ टेकन सम रॉन्ग डिसीजंस. यूएसए, फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर में यूएसए को बहुत आई मीन यूएसए हैज़ टू फेस लॉट ऑफ लॉसेस. So this time it was for the first time that it said ki it did not want to participate in the war. But Japan, what did it do? In its over enthusiasm, it dropped a bomb in USA, Pearl Harbor के ऊपर. और फिर तो USA ने कहा अब तो हम बदला लेंगे. As a result, USA also dropped bomb at the Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Then Second World War came to an end because Hiroshima and Nagasaki, the bomb that were dropped. Children, it was 1945. Please try to understand, वो जो time था, that was the time 1945. This is to 2020. ठीक है, आज से 70 साल पहले की बात हम कर रहे हैं. 70 years back it was there. 70 नहीं, हाँ 70 years back के आसपास की बात है. उस समय it was a disaster. ऐसा बॉम्ब ड्रॉप किया जिसमें लाखों लोग मरे. तो नाउ इफ एनी वॉर हैपन्स, इफ समबडी ड्रॉप्स अ बॉम्ब ऑन समबडी एल्स, सम कंट्री, तो अभी तो क्या है कि ऑफ कोर्स द नंबर वोंट बी इन लैक्स. जस्ट विद द स्प्रेड ऑफ कोरोना वायरस द नंबर हैज गॉन मोर देन crores. So you can understand how disastrous it would be. That's why people generally, all the countries, what do? They generally avoid the war situations. जितना हो सकता है लड़ाई अवॉइड करना है, क्योंकि हथियार की कमी किसी के पास नहीं है. All the countries, they have expanded themselves in the military manners. So with the expansion of this military power, the countries need to take care. The countries have to be very sure that neither they interfere into any other country's internal matters, and neither and nobody should interfere in their country also. तो आप किसी को परेशान नहीं करेंगे, आपको भी कोई परेशान नहीं करेगा. So just a general statement that I was sharing with you. तो दिस वॉज देयर हेलमेट स्टोरी. अभी ये जो सारा स्टोरी था, रिमेंबर चिल्ड्रन वेयर वी हैड स्टार्टेड द चैप्टर, देयर वी हैड द हेलमेट स्टोरी. नाजी क्रिमिनलिटी, वॉर के टाइम में नाजीज वेयर very furious to the most parts of the world. So now they understood that they have lost the war, so the countries will badly take revenge. तो इनके पास भागने के अलावा और कोई चारा नहीं था, और अपने आप को मार देने के अलावा. बट आई डोंट अप्रूव ऑफ दिस. आई डोंट थिंक दिस इज अ गुड थिंग कि यू किल योर सेल्फ. चैप्टर में दिया हुआ है, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग. अदरवाइज आई वोंट से कि दिस कुड बी द ओनली सॉल्यूशन. ऑलवेज बी अ फाइटर. If because time keeps on running ना, अगर खराब समय नहीं रहा, if the good times are passing so fast, तो how will the bad times? ऐसा तो है नहीं कि bad times had come and it will stay forever. Bad times will also go. तो बस ये होता है कि good times में पता नहीं चलता है that the trouble is there. Bad times थोड़ा सा you are uncomfortable, that's why you feel सारी problem आ गई and all that. Okay, so just I was sharing. Now we come to this topic. उसके पहले just see some of the sources are here. Newspapers in India track the developments in Germany. Whatever Holocaust was happening in Germany, अभी ये try to understand. Hitler was being very rude and very furious to the Jews and the other group in the country, in his country, and its news was spreading in the other parts of the world. कुछ ना कुछ करके जो लोग बाहर जा रहे थे वो बता रहे थे कि how much, what kind of atrocities are happening in Germany. तो ये कुछ न्यूज़पेपर कटिंग है, ये of the Second World War and Hitler reported dead. Just see how newspaper has published this news. And then Iron Rule in Germany, Hitler regime silencing the opposition, the emergency decree, all these points, मतलब कि in a different manner this was being published. लोगों को बताया गया that Hitler has lost his life. Hitler was a personality, पूरी दुनिया को हिला के रख दिया था. He has taken such steps, he have done such work that the whole world was shaken. Okay, we need to understand that. Now children, what happened? हमको अब जो next topic that we are going to understand is this, the Nazi worldview. Nazism जो है, what did the people think about the Nazis? And how did the Nazis react, the Hitler and his territory, how did they react to the people in the country, how did they treat them, why this kind of different kind of behavior was there with the different people in Germany. बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, we will be talking about that. देखो, सबसे पहले तो you need to understand that here again it is given that the crimes that Nazis have committed, उन्होंने जो भी काम किया ना, whatever work the Nazis have done, all those activities were very criminal, normal नहीं था. It was just an idea नाजिज्म क्या था? नाजिज्म, दिस वाज अ पार्टी, हिज नेम वाज देयर एंड हिटलर हैड गिवन द नेम टू दिस पार्टी. लेकिन हाउ कम इट हैड हैपेंड दैट it started killing people? People were destroyed, they were disturbed, they did not understand why these things are happening to them, and it was a system of belief. बिलीफ मतलब एक विश्वसनीयता पे आधारित था, एक सोच थी. हिटलर्स, इट वाज अ थॉट प्रोसेस दैट वाज इम्प्लीमेंटेड इन नाजी जर्मनी. बिलीफ, वो ऐसा सोचते थे तो उन्होंने उसी को लागू करने का कोशिश किया. क्या सोचते थे? व्हाट वाज हिज थॉट प्रोसेस? व्हाट वाज हिज आइडियोलॉजी? ओके, जस्ट सी. Now, children, you need to know that Nazi ideology was synonymous with Hitler's worldview. Synonymous means जो synonymous क्या होता है? Same words ना, synonyms. Antonyms क्या होता है? Opposite होता है. Synonyms is same. तो Nazi ideology is synonymous. Hitler जो सोचते थे, that was the Nazi ideology. Okay, synonymous. So what happened? According to this, he said that there is no equal, people are not equal. ये खाली कहने की बात है कि we are all equal, we are all same, कोई भेदभाव नहीं होना चाहिए, सारे लोगों को मिलजुल के रहना चाहिए. He said no, there is no such thing called equality. God has made the human being, and human being are made separate to believe in a different manner. एकता की बात करना ज़रूरी नहीं है. इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी. तो इन दिस व्यू, अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस, देर इज़ नो इक्वालिटी. पहला तो नो इक्वालिटी इज़ देयर बिटवीन पीपल, एंड ओनली रेशियल हायरार्की इज़ देयर. द होल सोसाइटी इज़ बेस्ड ऑन रेसिज्म. रेसिज्म, यू अंडरस्टैंड ना? Racial hierarchy, racism is according to your body texture. Blonde eyes, blue eyes, white skin, brown hair, pointed nose, beauty, आपके physical structure, आप क्या what is your thought process, what are you thinking, how will you look, and how will you कहते हैं ना कि when you grow old then your thought process change. उस सब से कोई मतलब नहीं है. People, he thought that the people, I mean Hitler thought that the people who are living in Germany, everybody should be very beautiful, very good looking. Nobody should be without any good features. कैसे लोग रहने चाहिए जर्मनी में? Blonde, blue-eyed, Nordic German Aryans were at the top. ठीक है? Blonde, the people who are very very white, the Nordic German Aryans, I'm sorry, Aryan theory. He gave the Aryan theory. आर्य हैं, आर्यपुत्र हैं, and this was based on the theory, Aryan theory, that was given by a person called as Max Muller. हाँ, ये दिया नहीं है, बुक में नहीं दिया हुआ है, बट मैं आपको बस ऐसे ही बता रही हूँ कि मैक्स म्यूलर वॉज अ जर्मन संस्कृत स्कॉलर. वो जर्मनी के थे मैक्स म्यूलर, बट ही हैड कम टू इंडिया एंड ही स्टडीड. यहाँ के सारे वेद पुराण का इन्होंने बहुत स्टडी किया, बहुत अध्ययन किया. एंड आफ्टर स्टडिंग ऑल दैट ही गेव द थ्योरी, आर्यन थ्योरी. ही सेड all the beautiful people in the world have descended from Aryans, and आर्य वो लोग हैं जिन्होंने कि इस दुनिया को बनाया है. तो he said, Hitler said that we are the Aryans and we are the ones who have made the whole world. And then he implemented the theory of they came to be regarded, and he said that the Jews who were living in Germany, they were the lowest rank. मतलब German Aryan people were at the topmost and Jews were at the lowest position. तो ज्यूस को दे सेड कि दे आर एंटी रेस पीपल, मतलब कि उनको तो ज्यूस को तो कहीं पे रहने का हक ही नहीं है. दे डोंट डिजर्व टू स्टे एनी प्लेस इन अ वेरी रेस्पेक्टेबल मैनर. फॉर द Jews he was saying that. And he said Jews are the anti-race people. All the other colored people were placed between depending on their external features. जितने खूबसूरत होंगे, more you are beautiful, more you are eligible to stay in Germany. नहीं तो क्या किया जाएगा आपको? Killed. Yeah. Just थोड़ा change के लिए, just for a change, I just was giving you this. So what happened? Hitler, from where did he get this theory? Hitler has got this theory from two of the great scientists who have given the revolutionary theory. They were Charles Darwin and Herbert Spencer. Please remember the name of Charles Darwin and Herbert Spencer. Darwin, he was a natural scientist, okay, and he explained the creation of plant, animals, through the concept of because he said, Charles Darwin said that it is the natural selection. Natural selection means nature selects. मतलब प्रकृति डिसाइड कर लेती है किसको जिंदा रहना है, किसको मरना है. Because when people die, it is some law that is working. Nature's law, God's rule. ये हम और आप डिसाइड नहीं करते हैं who will die. जिसका whose time has come, those people will die. So he said कि the idea of survival of the fittest was given by Herbert Spencer. Children, you need to remember the name of these two people, Darwin and Herbert Spencer. Without remembering their names, आप इस theory को explain नहीं कर पाओगे. You cannot explain the ideology of Germans in a very simple manner जब तक कि you don't understand the theory of evolution and the theory of natural selection, survival of the fittest. क्योंकि डार्विन सेड कि नेचर सेलेक्ट्स कौन जिंदा रहेगा कौन मरेगा, एंड स्पेंसर सेड इट इज द सर्वाइवल ऑफ द फिटेस्ट. अभी हाउ डू आई एक्सप्लेन? देखो, सर्वाइवल ऑफ द फिटेस्ट में क्या होता है. सपोज बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी पड़ रही है, इट इज़ वेरी एक्सट्रीमली हॉट, यू विल फाइंड मेनी पीपल डाई. गर्मी से आप न्यूज़ पढ़ते होगे ना, गर्मी से बहुत सारे लोग मर गए. सर्वाइवल ऑफ द फिटेस्ट, जो उस गर्मी को झेल गया, द पर्सन हु हैड टॉलरेटेड दैट हीट विल सर्वाइव, अदर्स दे विल पेरिश. बहुत जाड़ा पड़ता है, अगेन इन द न्यूज़ कम्स मेनी पीपल. तो दे गेव द थ्योरी कि इट इज द नेचुरल सिलेक्शन, नेचर सेलेक्ट्स, कि आपको हम नेचर ऑल्सो पुट्स यू टू टफ टास्क. अभी क्या चल रहा है, नेचर है ना, हमने आपने कोरोना थोड़ी पता किया है. इट इज समथिंग दैट द नेचर हैज ब्रॉट. पीपल से अब वो दैट इज समथिंग डिफरेंट. वी आर नॉट डिस्कसिंग कि वुहान के लैब से आया और कहाँ से आया, उसके बारे में मैं बातें नहीं कर रही हूँ बेटा. आई एम जस्ट सेइंग दैट दिस इज अ क्राइसिस एंड दोज हु कैन सस्टेन द क्राइसिस, आपको बता दिया गया है क्या क्या करना है एंड ऑल दैट थिंग्स. सो इफ यू फॉलो दैट, नेचर विल नॉट टच यू, अदरवाइज you will get infected and then you will be facing problems. और उसके बाद की बातें तो क्या ही बताई जाए. तो चेंज के साथ जो अपने आप को एडजस्ट कर लेते हैं, द पीपल हु अडैप्ट देमसेल्व्स टू द चेंज, एंड दे शुड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर डार्विन नेवर एडवोकेटेड ह्यूमन इंटरवेंशन. ओके, डार्विन ने ये कभी नहीं कहा कि ह्यूमन should decide कि कौन who will be alive and who will die. Only the nature can decide. Let not human beings decide that who will be alive and who will be dying. Okay. So it was a natural process of selection. The nature is selecting. So when the nature is selecting, who are we to decide? हम कैसे decide कर सकते हैं उसको? So his ideas were used as thinkers, racist thinkers, because the racism that was happening, the thinking process that was there, It was politicians justified the imperial rule. They said कि that's why Hitler is the only one who will be surviving. Rest everyone has to perish. बाकी सबको मर जाना है. And only Hitler is the one who will be deciding who will be alive and who will die. यहाँ से from here, I mean imagine the way Germans have accepted him as his leader. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट हिटलर. हिटलर को इतना बड़ा लीडर इन्होंने बनाया, लेकिन अब जैसे ही हैज़ बिकम अ लीडर, नाउ सम डिसीजंस, सम मिस्टेक्स लीड यू और टेक यू टू डिजास्टर. आपको बहुत नुकसान का सामना करना पड़ता है अगर प्रॉपर कंडीशन में लिविंग इज़ नॉट हैपनिंग. ओके, तो नाज़ी आर्ग्यूमेंट वाज सिंपल. दे सेड स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट रेस वुड सर्वाइव एंड वीक वंस वुड पेरिश. सबसे ज़्यादा मजबूत लोग रहेंगे, बाकी सारे लोग गायब हो जाएंगे. एंड आर्यन रेस वॉज द फाइनेस्ट. ही सेड दैट वी आर द आर्यंस, वी आर द बेस्ट, and it had to Aryans only need to survive and become stronger. More and more Aryan race is there in the world. उतनी ही दुनिया खूबसूरत बनेगी, उतनी ही दुनिया अच्छी बनेगी. And the Aryans have to understand that they need to be stronger and dominate the world. पूरी दुनिया को दबाना है, पूरी दुनिया को अपने हिसाब से चलाना है. That is the work of the Aryans. So he improvised his own theory. अपना नियम, अपना कानून, अपना तरीका, that is what he started implementing. Other theory that Hitler had given was the concept of Lebensraum. What was Lebensraum? Lebensraum was the living space. Okay, it was the theory. It was talking about the theory that how the racist people will be extending themselves. Means जो लोग अच्छे हैं, जो लोग खूबसूरत हैं, the people who are beautiful, who know how to rule, who know how to manage, they have to extend themselves. Okay, and he believed new territories have to be acquired for settlement. Germany, he said that Germany is a very small country where the Aryans are living. Aryans को ज़्यादा जगह चाहिए. Aryans need more space. Aryans need more respect from the world, and they changed the settlement. So the area of the mother country would survive. Means the Germans will have a very nice living, and new lands they will be acquiring. Wherever they were born, the places where the Germans have originated, all the nearby places they have to capture. And when they will be capturing, so obviously the cities that they will be capturing, all these cities will be having German territory. Germans will get more resources, they will get more support, and their power will increase. हर तरह से वो अपने आप को बताने की कोशिश कर रहे थे. So now what happened? Hitler said that Germany needs to increase its boundary, so they started moving towards the east. आप जर्मन के मैप में देखो, जर्मनी में towards the east it was Russian countries were there. Okay, so now what happened? Here comes the racial state. Aryans at the top and rest everybody at the low position. Nazis, what happened? They quickly began to implement their dream of creating an exclusive racial community. Means a community which is exclusively meant only for the Nazis. Nobody else is there to interfere. They will be looking after their own work, and they will make the others follow their policies. Okay, so and they said कि all the people who are physically challenged, physically disabled, are called as undesirable. They should be eliminated. Nazis, what did they want? They wanted a society of pure and healthy Aryan people, Nordic Aryans. They alone were considered desirable. They said कि we are the only ones who need to stay in the world. Rest everyone needs to perish. बाकी सारे लोगों को जो है इस दुनिया को छोड़ के चले जाना चाहिए. And it is only the Nazi people who would be staying. Undesirable people, pure and healthy Aryans were to stay, and they were only considered as desirable. Rest everybody else was called as undesirable. यहाँ पे बेटा some word meanings are there. Just check it. Nordic German Aryans, एक word आया था बीच में Nordic. One branch of those classified as Aryans, they lived in North European countries and had German or related origin. मतलब कि all these Nordic German, the Aryan people who were there in some countries of Europe. Europe के कुछ countries में some of the German people who were staying, this Nordic German people had German origin. ठीक है, कहने को यूरोपियंस थे, they were staying in other countries but they had somewhere origin from Germany. So they were called as Nordic German Aryans, made the German people who were living at other places. All these things were happening. इसमें one nice activity is here. What do they tell you about Hitler's imperial ambition? And what do you think Mahatma Gandhi would have said to Hitler about these ideas? Let's see these sources बेटा. एक बारी sources देख लेते हैं. This is from The Secret Book. Editor was Telford, just a minute, Telford Taylor. So this earth is not allotted to anyone, nor is it presented to anyone as a gift. ये दुनिया जो है किसी को एज अ गिफ्ट नहीं मिली, गिफ्ट में नहीं मिली है. It is awarded by providence to people who in their hearts have the courage to conquer it. हिम्मती लोग ही रहेंगे. Okay, try to understand the meaning of this source. That the people who are courageous will be staying in this world, and the primary right of this world is the right to life. सबको जिंदा रहने का हक है. And so far as one possesses the strength for this, everybody who can survive, who has got this strength, hence they wanted a vigorous nation will always find ways. Means Germany was developing now, so they say it's a vigorous nation, means it is a country which will establish itself in a very big manner, a very developed manner. तो adopting its territory to its population size, Germany population is increasing, तो वो अपने लिए जगह बना लेंगे, and Germany would be available for all the beautiful people who are there, and they will be finding their own way of conducting themselves. अभी हिटलर के ये एक तो ये था हिटलर्स सीक्रेट बुक edited by Telford Taylor. I'm sorry children, just a minute. And I told you ना there is one book हिटलर ने लिखा है, आगे आपको पता चलेगा. So this is Hitler's Mein Kampf. उस बुक से ये स्टेटमेंट लिया गया है कि हिटलर, what did Hitler think? I told you ना his thought process was very different. So what did Hitler think about the world? That is what is mentioned here. In an era when the earth is gradually being divided up among states, some of which embrace almost entire continents, we cannot speak of a world power in connection with a formation whose political mother country is limited to the absurd area of 500 kilometers. अभी समझो कि अर्थ इज डिवाइडेड इनटू स्टेट्स. मतलब उनका थॉट प्रोसेस समझने की कोशिश करो, बिकॉज वी आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग नाजी जर्मनी, वी आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग हिटलर्स जर्मनी. सो व्हाट वाज हिटलर्स थॉट प्रोसेस? तो ही इज सेइंग कि ऑलमोस्ट द ऑल कॉन्टिनेंट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू मेनी पार्ट्स. तो only one country, political mother country, means he said कि we are the ones who have given birth to the other parts of the world. पूरी दुनिया को जब हमने कॉन्कर किया है, पूरी दुनिया को हमने बनाया है, तो पॉलिटिकल, तो वी कांट लिमिट आवर सेल्फ टू 500 किलोमीटर्स. उन्होंने कहा कि मतलब हमारी कंट्री, आवर कंट्री, ही वॉज जस्ट साइटिंग एन एग्जाम्पल दैट वी कैनॉट लिमिट आवर कंट्री जस्ट टू 500 किलोमीटर्स. हमको तो पूरा दुनिया चाहिए. मीन्स जर्मन्स नीड द होल वर्ल्ड as their living space. Okay, remember the theory. On this basis he has given the theory of Lebensraum. Correct? That is there. So all the Lebensraum was there. German boundaries eastward they have to move, and all the German people who were concentrated in one place. Poland was the laboratory, human laboratory. मतलब ह्यूमन बीइंग के ऊपर रिसर्च हो रहा था, दैट वेदर द पर्सन शुड बी केप्ट अलाइव और शुड बी टेकन टू डेथ चैम्बर. ठीक है, what all research work was going on human being, and how Hitler was taking it forward. We will be discussing about all this in the next class, children. Okay, till then children, keep revising. It's a very interesting chapter. I hope you will be liking it. Thank you children, and all the best to you.